Are you tired of feeling like life is passing you by? You hear those wake-up calls, those moments where you know something has to change, but you keep hitting snooze. It's time to wake up, take charge, and start living the life you deserve. Ever caught yourself thinking, "I'm not good enough"? That inner voice can be your biggest enemy or your greatest ally. Imagine how your life could change if that voice started cheering you on instead. The truth is, the way you talk to yourself is shaping your entire life. So why not tell yourself a better story? We all overthink. We build imaginary walls, replay failures, and get trapped in our heads. But overthinking won't get you anywhere. The only way out is action. Small, imperfect steps forward that help you break free and keep going. Stop waiting for perfect conditions. Take one small step today. It's easy to blame others, to say, "It's not my fault." But when you blame, you lose power. Responsibility isn't about blaming yourself. It's about owning your life. When you take responsibility, you take back control. It's the first step to changing everything. Excuses are the comfort zone's favorite weapon. They feel good, they keep you safe, but they also keep you stuck. The moment you stop waiting for the right time and start acting, you realize it's always the right time to make a change. Comfort is tempting, but growth lies beyond it. Are you willing to be uncomfortable in order to achieve your dreams? The answer needs to be yes. Growth isn't handed to you. It's earned through stepping into the unknown and trusting yourself to handle it. Life doesn't come with guarantees. You can wait forever for the perfect plan, or you can act anyway. Uncertainty is where magic happens. Every step forward, even in the fog, takes you closer to the life you want. Pick one uncertain step today and take it, even if it scares you. Motivation is a myth. If you're sitting around waiting for it, you'll be waiting forever. Action is what sparks motivation, not the other way around. Get moving and watch how momentum builds your motivation. No one's coming to save you. That's the hard truth. But that's also where your power lies. You don't need to wait for anyone else. You are capable of rescuing yourself, and the moment you take that step, you realize just how strong you really are. Who else can save you, if not you? True growth isn't instant. It's a commitment. Just like nurturing a seedling, you have to keep showing up, even when it's hard. Growth takes time, but every bit of effort helps you build a life you can be proud of. Now's the time to unfuck yourself. Take back control, rewrite your story, and act without waiting for the perfect moment. Growth, action, and taking responsibility are your keys to a life worth living. Don't wait. The time to start is now.